Hello students, in today's session of trigonometric functional ratios, very basics on 90 plus minus theta, 180 plus minus theta, 270 plus minus theta, 360 plus minus theta, if theta is replaced by minus theta, will be cleared through illustrations. In earlier session, we have discussed all these which you can review on sethiswiftlearn. इसी के साथ साथ मैं आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इन केस अभी तक आपने अगर YouTube चैनल sethiswiftlearn सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues एंड फ्रेंड्स. Now let's start with the concept and questions. Concept on 90 degree plus minus theta, 180 degree plus minus theta, 270 degree plus minus theta, and 360 plus minus theta. Detailed discussion on these topics discussed in trigonometric function, very basic too. You can visit the YouTube channel sethiswiftlearn, have the vision. Now here quickly things are being revised again. X-axis, Y-axis, origin, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, all sine positive, cosec positive. In this case, tan positive, cot positive. In this case, cos positive, sec positive. 90 plus theta is quadrant second. 90 minus theta is quadrant 1. 270 plus theta, quadrant 4. 270 minus theta, quadrant third. In this case, trigonometric function changes sine, tan, sec. Sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec, cosec to sec, and put sine according to quadrant basis, positive, negative, right? Now here, in 180 plus minus theta and 360, 180 plus theta is quadrant third, 180 minus theta is quadrant second, 360 plus theta is quadrant 1, 360 minus theta is quadrant 4. In this case, trigonometric ratios does not change, and theta in all this, theta is always considered to be acute one. Theta is always considered to be acute one, means in 90 plus minus theta, 270 plus minus theta, trigonometric function will change sine into cos, cos into sine, tan into cot, cot into tan, sec into cosec, and put theta and put the sign according to this ASTC. Replacement of theta by minus theta. Theta means every angle is measured with respect to positive direction of x-axis anti-clockwise. This is theta. If we move clockwise, this is minus theta. Theta quadrant first hai, so this would be quadrant 4. Adding or subtracting multiple of 360 degree does not change the value of trigonometric functions. Right? Now, let's start with the questions. Question is, evaluate sine minus of 11 pi by 3. Sine of minus 11 pi by 3. As we know, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. And 11 pi by 3 is slightly less than 4 pi. Right? Let 11 pi by 3 plus theta equal to 4 pi. That's from theta comes out to be 4 pi minus 11 pi by 3. That is pi by 3. That is pi by 3. Therefore, this can be written as sine of 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi, and theta comes out to be minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3. Now, this belongs to quadrant 4. Trigonometric ratio will change to trigonometric function will not change, and sine is minus negative in quadrant 4. Therefore, sine of minus 11 pi by 3 can be written as minus sine of 11 pi by 3. That can be written as minus sine of 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 3. On further simplification, minus then minus sine of pi by 3. That is sine of 60 degree. That is root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, evaluate cot 570 degree. 570 is 360 into 1, 360 degree. 360 into 2, 720 degree. Right? So this can be written as cot of 360 degree plus balance will be 210 degree. This is equal to 360 degree plus theta. Theta is always to be considered acute one. जो भी है उसका जूम कीजिए, that is acute one. तो 360 plus theta, quadrant 1. Trigonometric ratio will not change. Sine positive. This will be written as cot 210 degree. This can be written as now cot 180 degree plus 30 degree. 180 plus theta. Quadrant 3rd. Trigonometric ratio will not change. Sine, tan and cot positive. Therefore, this is equal to cot of 30 degree. That is root 3. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, evaluate cos 31 pi by 6. You know, 360 into 1, 360. 360 into 2, 720. 360 into 3, 1080, and 360 into 4, 1440, and so on. That is 2 pi into 1, 4 pi into 2, 2 pi into 2, 2 pi into 3, 2 pi into 4. Means multiple of 2 pi. Multiple of 2 pi. Right? 31 pi by 6 is slightly greater than 5 pi. We need multiple of 2 pi. So this can be written as 31 pi by 6 plus theta equal to 4 pi. Theta comes out to be 4 pi minus 31 pi by 6. That is minus 7 pi by 6. Minus 7 pi by 6. Minus 7 pi by 6. This theta is 7 pi by 6. So, therefore, cos 31 pi by 6 can be written as cos 2 into 2 pi minus 7 pi by 6. Now this is n into 360 minus theta, quadrant 4. Quadrant 4. Trigonometric ratio will not change. Sign positive. Right? So therefore this can be, this is cos. That is cos of 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 means 210 degree. 210 degree. This comes out to be cos of 180 plus 30. That is again quadrant third. No change. Sign negative minus cos 30 degree. This comes out to be minus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, find the value of cos square pi by 16 plus cos square 3 pi by 16 plus cos square 5 pi by 16 plus cos square 7 pi by 16. Concept applicable. If a plus b equal to pi by 2 or odd multiple of pi by 2. Think of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right? Then here pi by 16 plus 7 pi by 16 plus 7 pi by 16. This comes out to be 8 pi by 16. That is pi by 2. Then 3 pi by 16 plus 5 pi by 16. This comes out to be 8 pi by 16. That is pi by 2. Right? Now we can use this concept. Cos square pi by 16 plus cos square 7 pi by 16 plus cos square 3 pi by 16 plus cos square 5 pi by 16. right? This can be written as cos square pi by 16 plus cos square pi by 2 minus pi by 16. If we simplify, we get this thing plus cos square 3 pi by 16 plus cos square pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 16. Right? If we go back, we get this thing pi by 2 minus theta, quadrant 1, trigonometric ratio will change sine to cos, cos to sine, right? This will be cos square pi by 16 plus sine square pi by 16. This is and cos square 3 pi by 16 plus sine square 3 pi by 16. This is 1 plus this is 1. This is equal to 2. That is the answer. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, sethiswiftlearn, sethiswiftlearn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept clearing videos. Thank you.